Aerobic respiration, the one most important thing to keep you living. So, what exactly is aerobic respiration? Aerobic respiration is the process where pyruvic acid is broken down and NADH is used to make a large amount of ATP with the presence of oxygen, which occurs in the mitochondria. So let's jump into some key concepts. The first one being acetyl-coenzyme A. This is the molecule that is created when the pyruvic acid combines with coenzyme A. The reaction does not require oxygen and creates NADH plus H plus 2. The next concept, the Krebs cycle, uses the acetyl-coenzyme A from earlier to make citric acid. It goes through a cycle, creating more NADH plus H plus and FADH2 for the main energy source, the ETC. It also produces a few ATP. The ETC, or electron transport chain, is paired up with chemiosmosis to make the next concept. In the electron transport chain, the NADH plus H plus and FADH2 that were made earlier are used here. The electrons from those carriers deposit them in the chain to pump hydrogen ions across the inner mitochondrial membrane. This creates a concentration gradient between the membranes with the hydrogen ions outside of the inner membrane. The ions come back into the matrix through chemiosmosis to generate lots of ATP. The oxygen is then used to accept the electrons and protons at the end of the chain. The last main concept here is the importance of oxygen. Why is it so important in these reactions? Oxygen is the final electron and proton acceptor to let the ETC keep moving. Oxygen is then converted into water. What is the reason why we do aerobic respiration? This is because of how efficient it is at generating energy for the cell. The energy made by cellular respiration through aerobic respiration is way more than many machines like cars. Aerobic respiration is almost 20 times more efficient than glycolysis alone. Through the equation, the efficiency is 39%. Just remember, when the next time you feel way too tired to do something, you will never have the energy to do it without aerobic respiration. It can give you all the energy you would ever want.